today, simple picture we're gonna try to do. There's a bird in the backyard. I'm gonna see how best I can get a picture of it, and it just flew away. Hi. So rain would have not too long fallen, and rain often is a really good adder of effects. So I need to get as close to this as possible. Let's see. So now a quick edit and we should be good with this picture. Let's see what we got. Alright, so we want to ensure that the drop there is the focal point. So we'll crop it to suit. Right here, bring this down right here. Yeah, that could live right there on the line. We usually rule of thirds. Nice. I did some edits before, so let's see if the last edit would work. Yeah, that's a good start. And we just want to bring it down a bit in brightness because I find that is super bright. Contrast, saturation. Oh, black and white, guys. I tell you, black and white is so cool. It's dramatic, you know. So we went from this to that. I could live with it. Export. And that's it. Yeah, so we just took a picture on our smartphone and edited it one time in Snapseed. Ah.